Hello, here's an update. Well, we got a, oh, hold on, what's going on? There we go. Trying to figure out how to use my phone. Okay, well, we got a Swiss cheese tail bed of the Jeep. I just welded in this piece here. Got my tailgate hinges done. They're all put back in place. Now we're doing the bed of the truck, or Jeep, sorry. Set you guys up and you can watch me cut this out. I'm not going to do these ribs. I'm just going to find a flat spot and square edge and cut it straight across and be done with it. Try to tuck it back up underneath here. Cut these, drill out these spot welds if I can find them, or else I'll just go right up underneath there and weld it. And set you up, and here we go. I don't know how to work this thing. I don't know if it's gonna vibrate. Set you all up there. See if you can see it. Oh yeah, there you go.